Future Hot Pockets here. I'm literally gonna fucking kill myself because my mic was muted the entire time, and I had some reactions here and there about, the action and shit, and just... Anyways, about 25 minutes in, the game freezes and it flips to another gameplay. That was me trying to get in the game for another hour, so that's just a heads up, and let's get right into the gameplay.
Our war is not for our fate. We fight to remove all foreign power from our soil.
We are Al-Qatala.
We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watch it at 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer Barkov's trucks, and get off the X before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it.
Let's move. All Hitman teams push to your set point. Roger, on the move.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
What are the odds we run into General Barkov? Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Heads up.
Да, наверх! Я слышал! Закрепнем!
Hearing two. Looking for us. Two mercs. Drop bombs.
We're clear. Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land.
Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. Vehicle coming in the main gate.
Target's in the loading depot. Eyes on.
Copy. Checkpoint, that's the entry. Vehicle's on the move. Check the railway.
One in the tower. Left side high, not army.
No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Heads up!
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Hold up. Let him approach.
Здесь люди. Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас. Рассредоточиться, генерал!
Clear. Force up. CIA has a zero-tolerance policy for these assholes. Looks like someone was playing with fire.
Serves them right, hawking this chemical shit.
Пожалуйста, помогите!
Put them out of their misery.
Туши огонь! Я пытаюсь!
Don't wait. On me.
Я 20 тебе поебал, а не подарок купил! Если сдохнешь, тебе никто не заплатит!
3-1, make an entry.
They're coming to you.
Усилить периметр!
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Contact! Got an empty nest on that second deck! Take him out!
Force out.
Move out!
We need to
Got
secure
it.
the gas
Ready.
before they move it.
Got a runner! Got a drone! I see one! Northwest! Move when his light's offline! They're to us out! Movement! Say goodnight, asshole! Rock, he's off target! Move now! Movement! Get moving! Watch south! I see one! Raj! I see him! This is up top! Get up there!
between the buildings!
Got a target!
I got one back!
One's in the open!
Down!
There's one to the northwest!
Cover me!
Got it!
They're moving between the buildings! Move out! I see him!
Flank up on it! See one to the barrier! Change of mags! I need cover!
Rog! Hunter's holding that section deck!
Get up there and shut him down! There's one to the northwest!
Yeah, I see him!
Let's get up behind that gun nest and flank that
moving.
fucker out! I need cover! Get suppressive fire on that MG! Get up there and shut him down!
Got a target!
Let's get up behind that gun nest and flank that fucker out! I need cover!
Move out!
Get that MG busy and get up there!
I see one! Northwest!
I see him!
MG, down!
Nicely done, CIA! There's one by the concrete barrier!
Got a target!
Got runners!
They're heading for the warehouse! He's in the open!
Got a target!
Grenade!
Get moving! Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late.
Clear!
Clear!
Clear! Chems may be inside. Masks up.
Let's do this. Fuck.
They killed the power.
Go white light. On me.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm telling you, could have been the airstrike.
Now they're here.
Shit, you see that?
Find him. Moving on the catwalk.
Got him.
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger, 3-1.
Looking.
On it. Checking for power.
Find the power, locate the gas, and let's hit the road.
Lights coming on.
up?
Hey! We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian Army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Never is. 3-1 out.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Raj. Jackpot. PID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out.
Time to go, CIA. Take shotgun.
All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
It's good work, Alex. Rally at the hook point for egress.
Back off! Back off!
Watcher to 3-1, how copy? Alex,
I got you, 3-1. Who the fuck is this?
سيدي نعم ترى ما روسي مارينز أمريكان لازم نتحرك فورا يلا يلا يلا
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel, Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John,
Laswell.
where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Where travel's fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrick, roger up.
Go for Garrick.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attackers. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it.
Let's get it done, yeah?
Hey, firm.
Sergeant. Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side.
Go, go! Fucking move! Police, please! Get your hands up now! Get down on the ground! Right there! Not gonna tell you again!
Suspect.
Clear! Brooks gone! They fucking got him!
Saber 2, what the hell is going on down there?
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired. Officers down. We need medical down here now. They're not done yet. Let's move.
Let's engage fire! Yeah! Fucking side on!
Take control! Take control! This is Alpha with 3605!
Roger! Easy, mate! I'm firing
Attack is underway at Piccadilly Circus. Multiple icing on you.
Just follow me. Follow me.
They're firing rockets from the roof of the downtown building! Bloody hell! You're breaking up! Say again! They're shooting bloody rockets! Get them to fire now! ARVs proceed to Piccadilly Circus. Officers down. I say again. Officers down. Piccadilly Circus! Multiple casualties! Get some fucking help here! We have south, southwest, and north! They're fucking everywhere!
Raven Saber 2. Get us back up here now.
To contain the threat until they arrive. Bloody hell! Come on! You can screw yourself up! You're breaking up! They're shooting bloody rockets at us! Get them to fire now! Officers down! Let's say again. Officers down! Piccadilly Circus! Multiple casualties! Get us some fucking help here! Bloody hell! You blew up! You can screw yourself up! You're breaking up! Say again! Bloody rockets in us! Get them to fire now! ARP! Piccadilly Circus! Officers down! Let's say again. Officers down! Piccadilly Circus! Multiple casualties! Get us some fucking help here!
Go! Get safe!
We have multiple suicides! South! Southwest! And north! They're fucking everywhere!
Raven Saber 2. Hostiles down in the electronics store. North building. One suspect here.
hostage situation. Hold at the perimeter.
This is Saber 2. Bookshop secure.
All units, civilians are exiting the bus by the fountain. We need to provide support.
Raven, this is Saber 2. Where's the bloody army? Let's move.
Secondary detonation of the cannon. Here we go. Secondary detonation of the cannon. One man. Shoot! Right for the horn! Fucking hell! Left it dead! It's everywhere!
Raven, Saber 2, officers down outside the Tanto building. Officers down!
Bloody hell! What is the status on the hostages?
Lou! I see you. You armed up?
Yes, sir.
Captain Price.
Sergeant Garrick.
You with me? Check those corners.
Someone!
Hostages, up top.
Someone, please! Help us!
Hostages, up top.
Someone! Someone, please! Help! Help!
Get it off me! Please, get it off me!
Sergeant, I need you over here.
Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them!
All stations, we have a man with a bomb strapped to him. Keep your distance.
I don't want to die me. I want to go.
Look, open!
I want to see my family. I want to see.
Can you help?
I'm trying.
Let me see my girl!
It's going off.
I can't get it.
No time!
Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing? No! No!
All stations. Bomb is clear. Prep medical, we're coming out. Okay, everybody stay calm. We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good. Let's go.
You saved lives today, Sergeant.
It shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone can just keep pretending we're not at war.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir.
Go on.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. I remember tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actionable intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Okay, Garrett. You're with me.
Alcantara's claiming responsibility.
On orders from the Wolf in Urzikstan.
Alex is on the ground there looking for the stolen chems.
Well, he'll need the Liberation Force on his side, so have him contact the CO.
You know Commander Kareem?
We're acquainted. Use my name, or they'll kill him.
What is your message from Captain Price?
Medikareem. Call me Alex.
I'm listening, Alex.
This is classified.
يلا ولد قدامي جهزوا لي هالكم.
48 hours ago, terrorists stole a shipment of Russian gas.
Only Al-Qatala would do this.
The Russians make no distinction between Al-Qatala and your people.
And I make no distinction between Al-Qatala and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
Then help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go. Who is this?
Alex, this is my brother and Lieutenant, Hadir.
You are CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Then you kill Russians, yes?
I have friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still here.
This occupation must end. That we can all agree on, yes? General Barkov's men control the city. We have plans to change that.
We have no missiles, but we have our ways.
If you stay, we can help you. But if you stay, you fight.
Yelling out to him.
Marhaba Ali Urzikstan, Alex.
Follow me. These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges. C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
You too.
Sara. Yalla. Merki?
زلمة كفو. Here, Alex. Put this on.
How do I look?
It'll do. Tarek, what's the report?
Russians are just outside. If they see your weapons, they will shoot.
That happens. Our plan fails before it starts. Alex, our guns give us away. Keep it hidden. Follow me. Barkov's forces occupy the entire city. They separate our men and women. They will be very strict. Their officers are coming.
Will Barkov show up?
Almost never. He hides while others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment. For fighting back.
Men on the work line! Women to the trucks!
This is where we split up. You'll need to comply to blend in. Get through that main door. I'll find you on the other side.
In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Uzbekistan who refuse to learn the lessons that will keep them safe and bring them peace and prosperity. These insurgents continue to launch senseless attacks in the name of so-called freedom. These homegrown terrorists are the cancer in this great country.
I'm through.
Go left, down the alley. See that soldier?
А ну стой! Get over here!
كريم ديري بالك أخالك إكتي. You're resourceful. Good. Keep your weapon hidden. Let's go. I have contacts posted just ahead that have more explosives for us. A bigger blast will pull more forces away from the Russian base. Shit. Barkov's soldiers have found my contact. They may be dead already.
Can't go loud. Need a suppressor.
Find an oil filter. It will silence your weapon. Check civilian guards. I'll keep watch on the guards.
There can be no order and no peace until those who side with these savages are permanently eliminated.
Get back to work!
I am a fair man and a man of swift justice.
That'll do it.
Good. Head back and flank right. Go around the truck. Right side. You get two. I'll take the rest.
Go, shoot!
Clear. Stay low. Hold up. Stay away from the door.
Осторожно. Могут быть растяжки.
Do you have a shot?
Yep.
Take two. I'll take the other.
Clear.
This way.
Sorry about your contacts.
We have the explosives. Your sacrifice will not be in vain. Follow me. I'll lead.
You defy General Bark, you will be made an example of. What is this?
Please, she's just scared.
Stand down. I know what she is. Do you understand why we do these things? They hang because they killed our soldiers. Now look at them. You defy General Bark, you will be made an example of. What is this?
This is a goddamn war crime.
Stand down.
Punishment for the stolen gas. Barkov blames us for stealing it.
What can we do?
Accomplish our mission and put an end to Barkov's cruelty forever.
You live peacefully. It is the terrorist who causes pain for all of us.
Barkov is sending in helicopters. We take them out. Forces from the base will come running.
Giving us a window to attack.
Send explosives on the helicopter. I'll cover you. Guards get in your way. Take them out. Quietly. Be back here when you're through.
There is no justice. There is only crime and punishment. One by one, we will eliminate these agitators from our streets and create a safe place to work and prosper under my flag. This revolt brings war to the peace-loving citizens of Uzbekistan.
Workers over there!
Guards get in your way. Take them out. Quietly. Be back here when you're through.
There is no justice. There is only crime and punishment. One by one, we will eliminate
Workers over there!
from our streets work and prosper under my voice. This revolt brings war to the peace-loving citizens of Kazakhstan. These freedom fighters and their collaborators threaten the safety and security of those who follow the rules.
No breaks. Back to work.
They will be punished.
Don't try again.
Those who believe that my terror tactics secret plan.
These oil filters work well.
Pushed out of this land by an army of thieves and terrorists. We will root out these interventionists and hold this territory forever. There will be no victory for our enemies, only death. Russia is here to defend your lives, your liberty, your independence.
Guards on the entry.
If you engage, try not to be seen.
Inexhaustible. I will not be defeated by citizen soldiers.
Alex, I can only reach near the helicopter.
Still looking for a way up. 2 down.
Nice.
I'm at the target.
You know what to do.
Terrorist criminals are destroying. And today, we can make an example of those who refuse to
Charge
follow
set. This'll make one hell of a distraction.
That's the plan. I'll get to the other helicopter.
These conspirators among us are carrying out
Use the stairs.
unspeakable acts
Stop.
against our people.
There's a guard. Top of the stairs, left side.
You're right on the crowd. You're to engage any threat.
Now, move up.
With the blessing and support of the United States and their partners.
Charge is set.
Regroup on my position.
Anyone who collaborates with these will be sentenced to death. Today, the people of Kazakhstan are far better off.
We're clear. It's time.
This country will share in its riches,
Blow it.
but it must earn their privilege through loyalty and obedience.
Blow the helicopter, Alex.
Together, we can build industry and harvest raw materials.
Blow it.
But it must earn their privilege through loyalty and obedience.
Blow it.
But it must earn their privilege through loyalty and obedience.
Fire in the hole.
Fucking beautiful, Alex. Well done. Now this way.
Wait. Take the left. Hold your fire.
Fucking beautiful, Alex. Well done. Now this way.
Wait. Take the left. Hold your fire. Look, it worked. Troops from the base are rushing into the fence. Okay, the trucks are undefended. We'll take them out next. Come, under the truck. More are coming. Follow close. parting gift for when they return.
How generous of you.
A shame to miss the show, but we have to get on with our attacks before it's too late. The next street will lead us back to the tunnels under Tarek's.
Shit!
Hunter, get boxed in.
I'm going to blow it! Right, Alex, go right!
Holy shit!
Window!
What the hell is this?
More of Barkov's war crime. Alex, get down.
Don't move.
Они могут быть где угодно.
Keep your head still. Hold.
Вот почему мы сжигаем это место. Может, хоть в этот раз до них дойдет.
Accept. Shoot the left too. Good work. To the tunnel, quickly. More may be coming. Look! Reinforcements from the airbase. Our plan is working. Stop. Shit. Tarek's door is open.
Where's Tarek?
Dead. He would never abandon his post. Let's go. Clear. Let's head down. Get to Hadir.
You lost good people today.
That is the cost of this war. Now let's take Barkov's airbase, so their deaths are not in vain.
We're in for a hell of a fight.
So are they. Hadir has a plan.
You are in my house now, Alex. I set up on the edge of Barkov's base. Keep those fucking dogs in check. Friends close, enemies closer. I told you we have our ways. No grenades, so we improvise.
Not bad.
Think we fight this war with sticks and stones?